Here's a quick follow-up video from the one that was posted yesterday in regards to our view of the market, at least the view from our perspective at eMiniDayTrader.com. We were looking at this profile, and the one that we finished off with yesterday was this profile, which included the day session right here from the lettered market profile, and of course the volume profile. And I believe I had mentioned that it was very possible that the market, if it could hold below 12, then it's likely to continue to stay below 12, although 12 was not a strong barrier. But because of the structure that we had yesterday, it was looking like the market could well be turning lower. The one thing that we did not have confirming the move down yesterday, as was mentioned, was the volume, and our volume was relatively light yesterday. And so when the market opened in the regular trading hours today, you can see that the market had not tested the previous day's low. It had not taken it out. We had one final test down to it this morning, and then the market turned around and had a nice rally up and ended the day right near its high. So we have a day-to-day, the type of structure that we have today is really conducive to the market continuing higher. Of course, we need to monitor this. It's not going to go in a one straight line fashion, of course, but the fact that the market did rally up, almost reaching yesterday's high, is a pretty bullish sign. The fact that it did not take out yesterday's high, maybe not quite so bullish. So at this stage of the game, we are expecting the market to pull back to an area around 824.50 or 828. We're looking at that as holding. Should either of those areas not hold tomorrow, then the market could come back on down to around the 807 area. So we are looking at further up movement, quite possibly after a bit of a pullback, whether that pullback is early tomorrow morning or perhaps in the overnight session, maybe even later tomorrow. But at some point it could pull back to around the 828 or 824.50 area. And then as far as the resistance on the overhead resistance area, we're really looking at around 856, 858 area, which could very well act as resistance. And that area is up right about in here, just below 860, right about in here. And so this is the area that we're looking at, likely resistance, and then support down in here, either in this area or a little bit higher right in about this area. So as far as our trades were concerned today, we had 5 trades today, and one of them was a break even, and the other 4 did very nicely for us, making profit on those trades. We had an early trade when the market rallied up using this balance area, so we were able to get long there, and then we ended up by reversing that. We were actually in and out of that trade, so it wasn't a reversal in that sense, but it was a reversal in the sense that the market had signaled that temporary high had been made. So our first trade was a long, so we had a long in here, and then we had a short in here. Both of them made money. Then one of our better trades here was when the market came down and formed this balance area on the low of the day. As it got rejected, we were able to get long in here and participate in a nice part of this up movement from that point on. As the market rallied higher before it made a new high of the day, we actually got rejection up in here, and so we did get short in here, the market hitting our first 2 objectives. But then one of our other trades, were able to use this balance area here as the market made a new high. We got long just in this time frame, so we're able to participate in an up move there as well. Unfortunately, it kind of did the 2-step on us. We like to hold these trades for the rest of the day. This one gave us a bit of a 2-step in the sense that it pulled back to our original entry price and then had its second leg, which was a much more pronounced move. Holding that would have been what our more experienced traders would have done, realizing the kind of structure we were dealing with. Just taking the trades from the purely objective standpoint, I still would have made money on that last trade, but not nearly as much. So a nice day of trading with 5 trades, one of them break even, and able to make some good profits on the other trades. So even though we had the idea that likely the market would want to head lower, we were able to see in real time how the structure developed, and then in turn how the software actually defined the auction process for us, and as a result, was able to pinpoint some very accurate trades that we were able to take part in order to be able to move forward with some good trades today. So just a quick recap for eMiniDayTrader look at the market for Wednesday, January the 21st, 2009. If you've got any interest in finding out more of what we do, have any questions, you're always welcome to send us an email, question or comment. We really look forward to receiving your emails, so don't hesitate in sending those. And of course, you can find us at eMiniDayTrader.com. Thanks for taking the time to view this video.